Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in previous video I showed you how you can display a list of items using a recycler view. As you can see, we have a nice list with a material card in the background. So today I'll show you how you can add an on-click listener on the item, so that when you click a particular item you get the contents of the item and as well as the position. When I click on Chandler, it says click Chandler. I've displayed a toast message. So I'll leave a link to the previous video where I showed you how you can set up the recycler view and display the list of items. So make sure to check out the description. So let's start. Let's go to our user adapter. So here I'll create a variable. And this would be a lambda function. So this lambda function would take the users. This is the model class that we created. And this will return unit. So if you're not familiar with Kotlin and if you're coming from the Java background, unit is similar to as void. So I'll initialize this as null. Let's make it a private variable. Let's create a function. Function will contain the parameter a listener, which would be of type users, and it will also return unit. And here we'll just set our variable. So let's go to our bind view holder. As you can see, we have this users position, so let's extract it to a variable. Users is the list of the users that we have, and we don't need this. Change it to this. Now let's add on-click listener on the holder item view. Now since we have made our on item click listener a null, so let's check if it is null or not. So I'm using the let function. And we will just pass in user variable that we created. So that's pretty much all we have to do in this class. So let's go back to our main activity where we have initialized our adapter. As you can see, we have this user adapter, and we can access the set on item click function that we created. And as you can see, it returns us an object of users. So let's use that. I'll create a toast. Let's assign the length as well. Length would be long. And don't forget to call the show method. So let's try and run the app. So I'll click on Chandler. As you can see, we have Chandler over here. Let's click on Rachel. And we have Rachel over here. So that was an easy way how you can set up an on-click listener on your RecyclerView item. I hope you learned something useful in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.